What if I told you that in the midst of chaos and disaster, there's an unseen army of heroes, armed not with capes, but calculators, blueprints, and an unshakable will to help? Today, we're pulling back the curtain on FEMA, the Federal Emergency Management Agency, and the engineering masterminds who make their mission possible. Disasters, from hurricanes to wildfires, earthquakes to floods, they strike without warning. And when they do, the spotlight usually falls on the courageous firefighters, paramedics, and search and rescue teams, as it rightly should. But there's another group, laboring behind the scenes. Their weapon? Engineering. Engineering and FEMA. Sounds like an unlikely pair, right? But it's this powerful combo that creates the backbone of disaster response and management in America. When a disaster strikes, the clock is ticking. Communities need shelter. They need clean water. They need power. They need communications. And they need them fast. Enter FEMA's disaster management engineers, the invisible architects of crisis response. These engineers are often the first on the ground after disaster strikes. They assess the damage, identify the critical needs, and get to work, often in challenging, even hazardous conditions. Take temporary housing, for example. It's not as simple as just setting up tents. Engineers have to design solutions that are safe, comfortable, and rapidly deployable. They also have to consider things like waste management, power, and water supplies. All while ensuring everything is sturdy enough to withstand whatever Mother Nature might throw at it next. And then there's infrastructure. Roads might be destroyed, bridges collapsed, power lines down. Our engineering heroes must work out how to rebuild it all swiftly, all while innovating to make it more resilient than before. But FEMA's engineering efforts aren't just about response. They're also about prevention. Engineers are key in planning for disasters, creating simulation models, designing protective infrastructure, and advising on building regulations to reduce the impact of future disasters. From earthquakes to tornadoes, fires to floods, each disaster brings unique challenges. At FEMA, the goal is always the same: to help communities recover and become more resilient for the future.